And then lastly, let's do an application problem. We need to graph this absolute value of x plus 1 minus 3 using transformations. So the absolute value, this is your v. This plus 1 inside the function, a plus 1 means I'm going to the left. So this is to the left one. And minus 3 outside of that function means I'm going down. So absolute values start at the origin. So it means I'm going to go 1 to the left and 3 down. So this is the beginning, or my v, my lowest point. And absolute values go up and over 1 to make that v. So it's going to go up and over 1, up and over 1. It's going to go along basically that diagonal, and it's going to do the same thing in the other direction. And you want that to be pretty accurate. So we can do the next part. Okay, so there is my graph. I have graphed it using transformations. So now it wants me to find the area of the region bounded by my function in the x-axis that lies below the x-axis. So it's wanting me to find the area of this triangle. So in order to do that, we must know our area of a formula triangle. If you remember from geometry, that's 1/2 base times height. Your base and your height have to be perpendicular to each other. And so this is my height. And it looks like my height is 1, 2, 3 units, which makes this my base, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So if this graph isn't perfect, then we might not be perfectly in these like unit lines. So I've got 1/2 times my base, which we said is 6, times my height, which is 3. 1/2 times 6 is 3, times 3 is 9. Area is always units squared, because I don't have any units here. We're just going to call it UN squared.